Welcome to this course on powder characterization for metal additive manufacturing. After completing this course, you will be able to explain the powder flowability properties in metal additive manufacturing, describe the different powder flow tests that occur in powder bed AM machines, detail the basic principles and applications of micro X-ray computer tomography in studying powder porosity characteristics non-destructively. Smooth, continuous flow of powder is important for success in both powder bed and directed energy deposition processes. In some powder bed processes, the powder is spread into a thin layer by a blade or roller, while in others, the powder layer is formed by a vibrating hopper that deposits, smooths, and lightly compacts the powder layer. In deposition processes, the powder flows through tubes into the focal point of the laser or electron beam where it is melted and quickly solidifies. Understanding the differences between these powder flow mechanisms is important for determining which test method should be used to test powders for flowability. Flowability is very important in powder bed processes because it affects uniformity of the powder layer and, ultimately, the quality of the finished part. Any disruption in the flow of powder during spreading will lead to gaps in the layer and defects in the finished part. Flowability is also important in powder deposition processes because any disruption to powder flow through the tubes will lead to a void in the part.